This is The Microbiome Miracle, written by Ben Marfield, narrated by Josh Wellington. Chapter 1. Introduction. Journey into the microbial world within. As I drifted off into a deep sleep one night, I never could have imagined the incredible dream journey I was about to embark on. I felt my consciousness plunging into a hidden realm, a veritable universe inside my own body previously unknown to me. I was Alice heading down the rabbit hole, except this microscopic land was right inside my own gut. With a sudden splash, I landed in a lush, thriving rainforest. Only instead of majestic trees, there were long stalks of strange, unfamiliar flora undulating as far as my eyes could see. The air was alive with hundreds of bizarre creatures buzzing to and fro, floating past my face. I peered closer at one of these critters under my magnifying glass. It had spiraling, whip-like flagella, microscopic hair-like structures involved in the locomotion of a cell, and a bulbous oblong body, like some sort of single-celled space alien. In fact, I quickly came to realize that all these teeming plants and animals were not macro life forms at all. They were trillions of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and more that call the human body home. This was my microbiome. In that moment, a tiny voice arose from the underbrush, barely audible at first, but then rising in clarity and conviction. It was coming from an old, wise bacteria named Bifido, who told me he had first colonized my gut days after birth. He had apparently been living there contentedly for decades without my knowledge, but today, he and his microbial brethren had an important message to share. "Welcome to your microbiome," squeaked Bifido. "We are the forgotten organ inside you, vital for your health, development, and even mood, yet long ignored by science and medicine, until now. We have influenced your well-being since birth and will continue to do so for your entire life. But the modern lifestyle is threatening us microbial communities like never before, from industrialized food to over-sanitization to the over-prescription of antibiotics. We must restore balance and harmony, or else both human and microbe alike will suffer grave consequences." I awoke the next morning still reeling from my vivid dream, yet also feeling that it was some sort of call to action. What did this all mean? Who were the microbial denizens sharing my body, and what influence did they truly have? Why did this Bifido fellow seem so desperate for me to listen and understand? My mind swirling with questions, I headed to my local library and began devouring every microbiology textbook I could find. And slowly, astoundingly, the true importance of my journey into the microbial world began to take shape. The startling, almost inconceivable truth is that the human body contains roughly the same number of microbial cells as human ones. A staggering 40 trillion bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?